The 2020 Moto Guzzi V73 Racer 10th Anniversary. Moto Guzzi celebrates a decade of V7 racer bikes with the 2020 V73 Racer 10th Anniversary. The factory builds on the third and current generation V7 Racer with some café-tastic bodywork that sets it apart from the base model. There are Easter eggs aplenty from models past scattered about this celebratory machine to turn it into something of a rolling tribute piece. As with the rest of the V73 line, power comes from the signature, transverse-mount V-twin with over 50 ponies on tap and a new, adjustable, house-brand traction control feature to help you keep it under control. Under the hood, wireless connectivity to web-based services brings an infotainment element to the table along with bonafide modern credentials. 2020 Moto Guzzi V73 Racer 10th Anniversary Design. Model unique red graphics pick up the red and black, racing tail cover that comes complete with oval racing number plates to finish out the Café Racer package. For the V73 Racer 10th Anniversary, the factory needed a way to add a bit of Café Racer style to an already café-tastic machine. It did so through the use of the tiniest suggestion of a classic bullet fairing. It sports a clear screen atop black mullions that meet in the middle to house the round headlight. Special, model unique red graphics pickup.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.